here we have the Benchmade North Fork. This is the 15031-2, so this one comes in a couple different handle materials. This is their diamond wood. I absolutely love this knife. Great feel in the hand. It's got the jimping here on the thumb and then out here for the index finger for detailed work. They really did their research on this one to make it a proper hunting, eviscerating, and skinning knife. I absolutely love drop points, and then it's got this little bit of recurve in it just for intrigue and to make cutting some things easier. Reversible pocket clip, and it's got their patented access lock. Once they get broken in, they work absolutely flawlessly in CPM S20V steel with that beautiful satin kind of tumbled finish. Get on the website, check it out. There will be the product description as well as our current pricing and sizing information. Thank you very much.